was leaking out of rusty. We had to swap it out. Still having issues. Finally got it sorted. We missed our first 2 calls, ran up there, and then we were the first ones in the lane. So I had to get dressed, get the tires set, get everything set, and hurry up there. No excuses, but I was not even paying attention to the tree. I had a 46 red. The truck ran good. We had a 142 60 foot and a 1066 at 122. I'm gonna go hit the tree, calm back down, get everything back into the routine, and we'll go back up there, hit it again, and we'll see what happens. There we go. That was a little better. We had a 22 light, 143 60 foot, and then we ran a 1070 at 120. A little bit of a headwind. It is hot now, so kind of expecting that. We're gonna actually switch over to running the C10 class instead of the Pro Truck class, since this is like the only C10 class they do for the year. So might as well run the C10 class, so we'll be running Nostalgia and C10 instead of Nostalgia and Pro Truck. That was it. We got our 1 more test pass. Let's cool down and we'll be off to first round. We are up in Nostalgia. They have a small junior drafter class,
win by Ashley.
and then immediately right into the C10 class. So we're going to be hot lapping it. We are at the front of Nostalgia though. We're 3rd car back. Looks like the car we're racing runs mid-9s. We have a very stout headwind right now, which we didn't have this morning, so we're going to have to just play that game. I'm thinking we dial it
Fleming in height.
73.
It's Fleming. Miles an hour for the victory.
So we're out of Nostalgia, but we're still in C10. Hopefully we can do a little better than 001. Second one we won, but we were both red. I was even more red. I felt like I left later and I was still 18 red. He was 40 red, but we ran at 72 on a 72. So the truck's doing fine. I just cannot figure out my lights. I was talking to some people, maybe with the new upgrades we're leaving a little bit faster, so I mean it could be rolling out just a little quicker, but man, I am all over the place. There's only 6 of us in the C10 class, so now there's 3 of us. We'll be waiting for a while the rest of the classes dwindle down. Okay, that's that. Nothing to do but cool off and go hit the tree. That's it. We are in the finals. We're gonna have to wait the rest of the day for the rest of the classes to get down. So that was probably the quickest finals we've ever been to, but we'll take it any way we can get it. That one I was just doing anything to not go red. So we ran a 10, we dialed a 1076, we had a 53 light, we had a 143 60 foot and ran a 1084 at 107. I caught him like just after 3/4 way of the track, let off. So there we go. Now we're gonna hurry up and wait till the end of the day, and we'll see you guys for the finals. Face. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the video. I don't know what happened, but yeah, so I don't know what's going on. We're not. I can't tell anything out of the ordinary. As soon as it fell on its face, I shut everything down. Everything sounds fine. Hey, I would love to. I would love to. Thank you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, guys, looking right here. Big smiles. How about a big cheer for Coda? Yeah! Oh, the threefer. Hold up the threefer, guys. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay, Coda!
Got it. Big shot.
Very well. That's going to wrap up today's video. We've been lucky enough to stumble into the winner's circle for 3 races in a row. Been super lucky, super grateful. Hoping to get the truck figured out though. We will see what we can find once we tear into things a little bit more. That's going to wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take it easy and we'll catch you on the next one.